Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching that video. It was a super fun one to make. Before I hop off here, I want to talk a little bit about my setup for filming that video and then make a super exciting announcement at the end. So obviously the drone that I shot it on is this Protek 25, but this drone is actually too light to carry a full-size GoPro, so you actually need to get a stripped down GoPro to work with the drone. So this GoPro right here is a stripped down Hero 10, like I said. And what's cool about this setup here is the screen actually comes off. So you can set all your settings and then just pop this off. And this is the entire Hero 10 camera that you're flying with. This whole package is super, super tiny, which is actually essential for a lot of the shots that I was getting. For example, like the shots in Mexico at the festival that Kygo was hosting, you can't fly over crowds with a drone that's more than 250 grams, but this setup is just below that limit. If you're interested in picking up one of these stripped down GoPros, just hit me up on Instagram. My handle is right here and I'll get you all set up. All right, so finally on to the big announcement. For the last 2 months, I've been building something out that I think is gonna be so incredibly helpful for anyone wanting to get into the world of FPV. And that is FPV Academy. FPV is complicated. There are so many videos out there, so many different gear combinations you can do, and there's not really a straightforward source that will tell you step by step how to get into it, especially as a cinematic FPV pilot if you just want to fly FPV to film good shots. But coming from someone who's in the content creation industry, adding FPV to my skill set has made a dramatic increase in the amount of clients that I have and the amount of money that I can make. FPV is so in demand right now, so decent pilots can make anywhere from like 4 to even 12K plus for like a weekend project. So basically I built out an entire A to Z step-by-step guide from going from zero FPV drone experience all the way to getting shots like the pros. I cover everything from simulators, tiny whoop training drones, what gear you should be on, what specific drones you should be on, and in-depth reviews about each specific drone, all the way to what settings to film on to get the best shots, the whole post-processing workflow. So stabilization, importing, exporting, color grading, and even at the end of the course, I get into how to market yourself as an FPV pilot and start making money. Link is down below to check it out. I'm gonna leave you guys with a really cute picture of a penguin at the end. But before then, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel out tremendously. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Here's a cute penguin. Peace.